From Tashon Lamed Ches, the Rebbe started to farbring generally, a farbring which we knew about, the Rebbe would farbring the night before the special date. This says till Tashon Lamed Ches, the Rebbe would farbring the night after Tu B'Shvat. And from Tashon Lamed Ches and on, the Rebbe would farbring the night before Tu B'Shvat. It's easier, the Rebbe doesn't have to farbring right after the strain of being by the oil. So the Rebbe started farbring the night before Tu B'Shvat. So there was farbring in Tu B'Shvat. The interesting thing here was, even though in previous years in general there wasn't a mimer, sometimes there was a mimer kein sicha. Here the Rebbe came into the farbringen. That's a beautiful bowl of fruits. And the Rebbe moved the bowl a little bit so he could see Rabbi clearly, and he nodded to him as a simon they should start the Maimer Niggin, which was a big chiddush, a Maimer with a Niggin in the middle of a weekday farbringen. In those years, it didn't happen too often, except at the big Yom Tovim, at the Skislev, the Shvat, if it was the middle of the week, and other Yom of the Pagers, usually Tammuz. But here, the Rebbe said to sing the Maimer Niggin. He said the Maimer with the Niggin, Abara Shoshanim Heim. But the Maimer was actually a Hemshech of the Yud Shvat farbringen. Lil Shishi, Early Yud Zayin Shvat, was Yechidus for Archim. That was something which had started from Tafshin Mem Daled. There would be one Yechidus for all the Archim together in the shul downstairs. And the Rebbe would usually speak an inyan connected to Yud Shvat, or whichever Yom Tov it was, which we were celebrating. Here the Rebbe spoke again, Ahira, from the Frierdiker of his name, the name of Yosef, adding, everyone should try whatever they can to add and bring another Yid closer to Yiddishkeit. And also the name of Yitzchak, the name of Simcha, to do everything, only none of Yiddishkeit and Eifen of Simcha. Besides mentioning the Rambam of the day and the Chitas of the day. Another interesting thing that happened during that Yechidus was the Yechidus to Chasanim and Kalas. I think this is the only time that Rebbe mentioned it, that it's a minig Yisrael, that the Kala buys for the Chasan a Shas. Because in a Chasan you have to establish the house on the Seidah HaTorah of HaMitzvah. So the Seidah HaTorah by extra learning Torah. And that is that the Kala buys for the Chasan Sfarim, the minig is to buy a Shas, and for Chassidim also to buy Sefer Chassidus, which some people translate that to mean that the Kala has to buy for the Chasan the whole Kahas.